Ruby! Ruby, where's Dad? Where's Dad? Don't growl at her. Hi. Wanna touch it? Wanna touch it? No. Why? You're rude. Does it look funny? Does Daddy look funny? She's scared of anything. Wanna touch it? Look at this. Yeah, look. Ruby's turn. Ooh. Oh, what's that? Where's Dad's hair? Where did it all go? Did you take it? You did? What'd you do with it? That's his nose. Yeah. You say crypto? Yeah. Uncle Bert. Ruby say grandma. Grandma. Say thank you. Say love you. Say love you. High five. Found it. Give the puppy five. Give the puppy kisses. Give him kisses. Good job. Wanna hold the puppy? Wanna hold the puppy? That's fine. I'll hold the puppy. There you go. You wanna hold him? You held him yesterday. Hold him. Is that your puppy, Ruby? No. I think it is. Look at the puppy. What's the puppy say? No. Woof woof. What's the birdie say? No. What's the bird say? Tweet tweet. What's the tweet tweet? Say ow now brown cow. Ow now brown cow. Ow now brown cow. Close. Close enough. Get the puppy. Puppy. Found it. Ew, look at your head. How does it feel? Feels like he's licking my head. I want to call you Baldy. We'll start calling you Baldy. Or I'll start calling you Harry. How about that? Oh. No.